Montana!
Stop.
Wake up, sleepyhead.
I was not fully asleep. I was resting my eyes.
We got work to do.
Yeah, I know. So that's why I need some rest. We've got 3 ginormous case packs in this U-Haul behind us.
Yeah.
So big we had to take stuff off the top for them to even fit.
Yes.
I'm just hoping we have 25 to 30 different products.
I feel like we do.
I think we do. As we were unpacking, we saw a couple surprises.
Might be too high. Yeah.
Too big.
Ah! You can go down a little bit. There you go. Like a glove. Hello everyone, this is unboxing number 7 and we decided to mix it up a little bit.
Yeah.
So as you can see from the earlier footage, we had so much.
Too much.
We decided to just do this a little different because we didn't want you to waste your time seeing us going through all those boxes and stuff. And it gave us time to get some numbers together before the video for you. So let's go over some of those. So total retail that we got with 3 pallets. Well, let's start with what we spent. We spent $1,425, and we got $27,044.45 in retail total. We had 2,021 pieces, which means we have 70 cents in each item. If we sell, like we like to do at the flea market, if we sell each of these items for $3, we will profit $4,638.
Yes.
Which gives us a gross of $6,063. So that's awesome.
Off of $1,400.
Yeah. How many different pieces did you get?
25. We got 25 different pieces as
cut
well.
it out. So we got 25 different pieces. So let's rock and roll. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna drop all these items, the ones that I can scan. I'm gonna drop them in the video so you can see them. If you're interested in buying any of this, just go to our Shopify at thetightmarketplace.com.
So
now I got to get Roxy her cardboard addiction.
She's got. It is so hard to keep cardboard and like stepping away from her, opening these boxes and stuff. But this is going to be the rack that we're pulling off of that we have. This is just an example of how we keep it organized and what our warehouse storage place is going to look like. It's going to be full of this.
And you can also buy this stuff off of our live videos every Wednesday.
Yes.
At 12 o'clock.
I don't even know what to start with. I'm going to start with this one.
Start with that one?
Yeah. So this is a little girl's t-shirt, size small. The retail on this one is $12.99 a piece. It's got, y'all, stop it.
Stop.
You don't want to be put in the crate. It's got little places right here, but it is little girls, very thin. Good for the summer. Back to school. Yes, this one's really cool.
I personally, this is Fortnite. I'm not into Fortnite. I don't play video games anymore, to be honest with you. When I did, I like to play Call of Duty. But I thought this was cool, man.
Yeah.
I mean, it's because it will sell.
Comes with the PJ pants and socks, too. What's the retail on that?
The retail on this one is $0.
It's $17.99. I've noticed if they have 2 pieces or whatever, one of them will have 0, but this one's $17.99 a piece.
And they come with socks.
Yeah, those are awesome.
That's pretty wild.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do this one. So we got.
Oh my God, those are big.
We got some bras. These are big bras too, which $19.99 a piece. They're 42G. So I think I might even sell these as a lot on eBay because I don't know how well they'll go at the flea market, but as a lot for 20 bucks for two, that's a great deal. And shipping should be pretty cheap on these too.
Yep.
So, what are you gonna do?
Well,
I like that you get to pick.
I like these here.
Yeah, they look like
these are
you.
neat. Do these scan?
No, they do not.
Okay. So we have these cargo shorts here. They're for boys, obviously.
Yeah.
They
Neat.
are $12.99.
Yeah.
So we got some of these. They're elastic.
Something different.
Yeah. And this is case pack stuff.
Yes,
for all
case
you
pack,
flippers
case pack.
out there.
And then we got these cute swimsuit cover-ups.
This is
with
why we
little
bought
pom-poms.
this. The pallet
Yeah.
came off of.
This box was open, and I was like, we've got to get it. We know dresses are what do the best, but this is a bathing suit cover-up, but I think it can be wore as a regular dress too. These are $16.99, and we got them in 2 different sizes,
Awesome.
so that's pretty cool too.
Show this.
Yeah.
Montana and I love this kind of stuff here.
No. All 3 different ones too.
This stuff just sells so fast.
Yeah.
But these are just newborn baby outfits.
No, 24 months.
Oh, excuse me. That's how much I know about babies.
that would be a big newborn.
24 months. There's 3 different ones that come on each.
Flip it around. Yeah.
Oh, it's this side?
Yeah.
Okay, here. How can we do this?
I guess just do it like that and then show them that.
Alright, so there's this. This is Dr. Seuss.
Yes, these are so cute.
What's
And
it
what
say?
are these?
Those places you'll go.
All the places you will go. And these are $14.99 a piece. They're cute, aren't they?
Really cool.
Yeah.
Really cool. See, another bra.
Yeah.
We got a lot of bras on
Yeah,
this.
we did. Which, I think we got a wide variety. This is another larger one. This one retails for $16.99 and it's a 44D. So, and I think, I want to say out of the bras, I think we got like,
Is this padded?
no, it's not.
Okay, I don't guess you would need
You don't need pads if you got all this working with. That's
Jesus.
funny. You want to show them some?
I'll let you show them that.
I know, I'm probably keeping one of those.
So these are some, I thought they were activity shorts, but these
Which
are,
I think they can be used
yeah, they
as,
definitely
to be
could be,
honest.
but they're called swim shorts. But these are girls' swim
Yeah.
shorts. These retail for $12.99. These are XL. Very nice. What else, babe?
These. So at first I was like a little down and out when I saw these because we have a
Stop.
Copper won't stop messing with her. We have a lot
Stop.
of these, but they're great for private schools or schools that use uniforms. So we got these in large and we got these in medium as well. So I think these will go just as fast. They're $12.99 a piece. So
Yep. Will those
that's
scan?
pretty good. No, these won't scan either, but I did find them, so I just have to find the color. So on the Brandon also found a new. Do you remember the name of it?
Yeah, I did. I don't, but I can find it.
Look it up.
So if you ever go
So-
case pack shopping, you can use this website called brickseek.com, and then all you do is put in, what's it called? Let me go back here.
The item number. Yeah, look right there. You still have those pulled up, and those don't scan for me on the Target
I'll try
app.
to show them here. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not, but I'm going to try. So you put in the DPCI number. You'll find those on the boxes. And then you click search inventory. And there you go.
Yeah,
It'll pop up for you.
That's super.
So if
cool.
you're hunting case pack
Right
stuff,
here.
you just type that in. I found that the other day. There they are.
And watch, see. So Target
But
app.
it's called brickseek.com. I'll put that in the description.
Target app, what we live by and love, super easy to use, but what he just pulled up will not pull up for me. No results, so that's a good outlet. But we got some boys swimming trunks too. We got quite a few of these, but $3 pretty much is what we're going to sell all of this stuff at, and originally $12.99. It's not.
Yeah.
It's still hot where we're at, and the pools don't close for another 2 months. So
here's some more.
yeah, those are cute, and we got those in 2 different sizes.
Yeah, we have these in 2 different sizes. We have a size 8 and a size 10. I think these are actually really cool.
Yeah.
I would wear these if they were men's.
What else?
Looks green to me.
These right here. Yeah, I like those. They're like
green.
they're ombre. So these things right here. So we got another bra. This one is $14.99 a piece, 32D, and it has a crossback. I know crossbacks are good for different types of shirts you wear. Are you liking it? Undoes.
Undone? Are you trying to say undone?
Undoes.
Oh, undoes?
What would you say?
I don't know. What's the sentence?
Undone in the front. Like,
yeah, undone.
Unbuttoned.
Okay.
Whatever.
Here, show them this one.
You don't want to show them the bras?
Good.
Okay, so another black bra with a little bit of lace at the top. This one's retail $14.99, and it's a 32D as well. So.
And this one.
Does have pad. And then a little baby one. This one's 32 AA, and this one is $16.99. Again, $3. I know if I could buy a bra for $3.
Stop.
I wouldn't even worry about it fitting immediately because I would go home and try that on. $3 for a bra. Whew. Good stuff.
These are nice.
Yes, I might be keeping one of these. We didn't get some of these. We didn't
just
get
pay
many of
the
them.
business 70 cents.
I'll pay you 70 cents. So just black shorts. They are $16.99 a piece, size 10. So
Very nice.
still good.
And then we have this. This is a girl's bathing suit.
Yeah.
You can see. This is a 1-piece or a 2-piece?
It's a 1-piece.
So this is a 1-piece.
Mhm.
This retails for $16.99.
Yeah, you cannot beat that. So while we're also showing you this, we always like to show you the good, the great, the bad, and the ugly. So we did get 2 ugly things on this palette that I don't think we can do anything with. So yeah.
Here, go ahead.
We got the 2019 agenda. So, and it has the dates in it.
And a calendar.
And a calendar. So.
But it wouldn't be a bad idea if you wanted to go back to 2019 this year.
Start all over.
As bad as it's been.
Leave 2020. But I'm also thinking I can maybe use the back pieces and write on them. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe
all the days are going to be different, so you can realistically do that. But.
No, but I was saying blank pages how I write.
Yeah. So these are pretty much unfortunately trash.
The tripod was sitting on these jeans. So we also got jeans in 4 different sizes. It looks still to be.
Okay.
Sorry guys. We got jeans in.
These have a stripe on it.
Yeah, I saw those. And this style is coming back. I've noticed the 70s and 80s picking up more and more in the 20s. They're all the same. We did get size 00, 6.
And they come back like this.
Yeah. So it's easy
$27.99.
Mhm. Yeah.
Good Lord.
Yes.
I like that.
If it's in my size and I can pick up, yes. So 00, 6, 10, and 14, which I think is a good wide range for people.
Have you showed them this yet?
Yeah, I did, but I haven't showed them those jeans.
These here?
Yeah.
All right, so we got these jeans in. These are women's.
Yeah.
These are 10.
Yeah.
How do you say that?
Levi, I don't know. Denizen?
Denizen? I thought she had a typo when she gave me the inventory earlier.
No, I didn't. I guess it's like
I thought she meant denim. But
Denizen.
whatever that is. Maybe it's because of the color fade.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the bottom.
The fade's pretty cool. The fade's coming
look,
back too.
There's a cut.
Yeah, that's
cool. There's a little slit there.
That'll look good with booties, and they're stretchy. It looks like they're good for the big booty women and big wide hips, which we love all women, shapes and sizes. And then I think this is the last thing, right? I think we showed you everything, but we got another girl's bathing suit, but this one's going to be a 2-piece, which is really cute. I did not even notice that this whole time. Look at the back of it.
Oh,
that's cute. So, cute little bathing suit, $16.99 2-piece. Yeah. But this is what we got off this case pack.
Yeah. So like I said, we spent $1,425. We have 70 cents in each item. I think we can do this in the month of August.
Yeah.
Which tomorrow's the 1st at the
We're
flea
gonna
market.
blow this out.
We're gonna have Haley and Preston rock the flea market with us, and we're gonna turn this into $4,600 in 4 weeks.
Like that.
Bam.
We've got a big goal to hit this month.
Yeah,
Our goals just keep growing, which is awesome.
that's good. That's what you want.
Absolutely.
You don't want them to stay the same as long as you're crushing them.
Yep.
Hey, if you like more videos like this,
Yes.
as opposed to us going through the boxes and everything,
Let us know.
let us know. We can keep doing this. It's easier for us, honestly. But then
Yeah.
again,
We like to be surprised too.
we
with
like to
y'all.
be surprised in the videos and see what we got.
Yeah,
Sometimes it can
so
take a little bit to do it with this kind of stuff.
we got $27,000 worth of retail. That is blows my mind.
I think so far year to date with just case pack, we have went through $67,000 worth of retail,
Yes.
and right now we have about 30,000 of it left, including this.
In case packs, from what we've understood too, since places are starting to take the returns back. Hello, Roxy. Taking the returns back, the case packs are going to be put on a halt for right now until they build up and they have to push them back out. So we're going to try to buy up as much as we can when we see them, when we can. But obviously, furniture is
Furniture is
where it's
really,
at.
we like doing. Believe me, if I can make the money doing this that I can make on furniture, I'd much rather do this and sell this.
Furniture's heavy.
Yeah, it's
So
a lot
heavy.
of work. It's also still a lot of fun though. It's
Yeah,
really
seeing
exciting.
what you get. But
Yeah. So, anyways,
Yeah.
I guess that's the end of this unboxing video.
yeah, super quick. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring the bell. And we'll see you next time.
Awesome.
Thank y'all so much.
Bye.
Bye.